Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to swap BNB to Ethereum to Trust Wallet. So the first thing is that you need to install in your laptop or in your mobile phone. Ensure you have the Trust Wallet app installed on your mobile phone. If you haven't done so, download it from the Apple Store, Google Play Store. After that, it will ask you to set up your wallet, open the app and either create a new wallet or import an existing one using your recovery phrase or private key. If you don't have BNB in your Trust Wallet, transfer it from another wallet or exchange. To do this, tap on the Wallet tab, select BNB and click on Receive to get your wallet address, using this address to send BNB from another wallet. Once your BNB wallet is in the Trust Wallet, go to the main wallet screen, tap on BNB, then select More and choose Swap. In the swap interface, ensure BNB is selected as the token you want to swap from. Tap the drop-down to select Ethereum as the token you want to swap to. Specify the amount of BNB you wish to swap for Ethereum and tap Previous Swap to receive the transaction details. After reviewing, confirm the swap by tapping on Confirm Swap. The transaction will be processed, which may take a few minutes. Once complete, you will see Ethereum in your Trust wallet. This process allows you seamlessly convert BNB to Ethereum directly within the Trust wallet app. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.